Here is what I try to do using vector layer in Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition with your desired presets. Create a new solid layer with composition size. Select the solid layer, go to Effects, Generate, Ramp, and set it as your desire for your background. Create a new vector layer by double-clicking the ellipse tools. Select the shape layer 1, and reveal the contents by clicking the triangle on the left side. Then go to ellipse 1, ellipse path 1, and set the size to 500 by 500 pixel. Merge path by clicking the Add Bottom on Toggle Switches mode on the right side. Add path 1 by clicking the Add Bottom on Toggle Switches mode on the right side. Create triangle using path tools. Set the Merge Path 1 mode to intersect. Add repeater by clicking the Add Bottom on Toggle Switches mode on the right side. Set the Transform on repeater position to 0 by 0. Set the copies on repeater 1 to 8, and transform the rotation on repeater 1 to 45 degrees. Now set the triangle path as you want it. Set keyframes on repeater 1, copies section, from 0 to 8. Set keyframes on repeater 1, transform, scale properties, and set it from 50 to 100%. Set the offset on repeater 1 to 1. Create a new vector layer by double-clicking the ellipse tools. Select the shape layer 2 and reveal the contents by clicking the triangle on the left side. Then go to ellipse 1, ellipse path 1 of the shape layer 2, and set the size to 500 by 500 pixel. Drag the shape layer 2 and put it under shape layer 1. Delete the stroke inside the content of shape layer 2. Set fill 1 on the shape layer 2 for your color. In this case, I use red color. Add merge paths on the shape layer 2 and set the mode to subtract. Add ellipse path 2 to add hole in the middle. Set the size of the ellipse path 2 as you desire. Set the color for your logo as you desire. Connect the scale properties of shape layer 2 to scale layer repeater properties on shape layer 1 using the expression. By option click on its properties and drag the connection expression tool. Create null object from layer menu bar. Parent shape layer 1 and 2 to null object and resize the null object as you desire. Create text using text tool in the toolbar. Add animation to text layer using text animator. You can use position properties, opacity, scale, etc. You just need to add keyframe from 0 to 100% on range selector. Create a new vector layer by double-clicking the rectangle tools. Set the size of rectangle properties to 100 by 100 pixel. Set the color as you desire. Animate the size and position of vector layer using keyframe. You can add interpolation by selecting the keyframes and then clicking F9 on your keyboard. Add repeater to your vector layer. Set the copies property of repeater to 12. Set the position property of repeater to 0 by 0. Set the rotation property of repeater to 45 degree. Set the size of vector layer and put it on the edge of animation of your composition to add highlight effect for animation logo. You can change the color by adding the fill from effect, generate, fill effect. Thank you for watching.